Got Queen Asha in the cut. God dang. If you're new to my channel, what's goody? And to all my loyal subscribers, what's up? You know, welcome back to the party. Tell by the title, your girl made a purchase today. Y'all see it? Yes, I made a purchase and it's an air fryer. So today tonight, we are going to make tilapia in it, and we hope it turns out good because, you know, I want something for y'all to have, and oh my gosh, no, it's okay. I just want y'all to, you know, try my video, so I hope it's good. Here's the air fryer. You know, we're gonna call her Miss Fryer. I don't know. Ooh, you know, little tray. We got this from Walmart. It was $80, Power XL, you know, that nice sleek black. This is the box it came in, you know. It came with the owner's manual, all the good stuff, and it even came with a cookbook. So, you know, y'all gonna be really cooking with Asha soon with the air fryer edition. Some good stuff in here. Here's the filet. Tilapia is the choice. We're going to use seasoning on the filet. You heard me? Seasonings. You know, go by what you want. I got that. Some leaf oregano, garlic, salt, paprika, lemon pepper, seasoned salt, and black pepper. And I mean, I'm not using like a whole cup or something of each. You know, you use it to your liking to taste. You want to add a little bit of vegetable oil too, or canola oil, or whatever I don't even know what that is. Whatever kind of oil you have. Now, some of y'all probably looking around too, like some of that stuff don't look familiar. Queen Asha, like, what are these new colors and things? Guess what? Go check out my last video. I did a empty apartment tour. I just moved, so that's been explaining a lot of the things of why I haven't been on here. But go check out my last video, and also the furnished video is coming after this one. So, you know, just be ready. It's coming. So now, you know, you do as you season, and you're gonna let this marinate in the refrigerator. I would prefer, you know, like 2 hours, but you know, I gotta eat like now. So y'all, this my sous chef. Y'all go ahead, champ sous chef. But so y'all see the fish is seasoned, and now we are about to oil the little pan so it don't stick and preheat it. We're going based off this we're going based off this airfrying.net website. So it's saying put it on 400, and we're gonna cook it for 8 to 12 minutes and flip it once. So oil on this napkin, and it said put, you know, you don't want your fish or your food to get stuck to the pan. So you want to oil that bad baby up. So we're going to go ahead and, you know, put those bad babies in here. We're going to put 4 of them. Ooh, I don't know if we can fit 4. Barely. We might have to do 2 at a time. How big these things is. So 2 at a time. Ow. Hurt myself, but I'm okay. We figured it out. We're going to do on. We're going to go up to 400. The time was 8 to 12 minutes. So we're going to do 12 minutes still. Oh, wait. Yeah, we're going to do 12 minutes still, and we're going to flip it in between. Oh, and it started. Voila, magic. Ready. Ready. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Now them things is what you called good and baked. Well, I mean, we gotta wait to taste them. Oh, anyways, we gotta wait to taste them, but I'm about to put the second batch. We're gonna eat some rice, and yes, our fish is grilled, not fried. We'll try fried another time. I'm just kidding. Here are the plates. We got the tilapia with the rice. You know, I got orange juice to drink. I'm going to try this without hot sauce because I put hot sauce on everything. So, you know, I'm going to try without the sauce first. Well, I'll try without the sauce. It is a little crisp, so. Okay. I like it. Okay, air fryer. Definitely like it. You know, I'll probably add some other kind of seasoning, but I put hot sauce on it anyways, and I'm gonna mix it with my rice and my peas. All in all, I cannot wait to continue to use this because it's gonna make life so much easier, like so much easier. The little booklet we got, it has like a whole bunch of recipes, even desserts, so it's gonna be cooking with Qween, Qween Asha. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. I really appreciate it. You know, if you liked this video, you know, just hit the like button because I appreciate it. Share it, comment, all of that. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that red button. And with that being said, your girl is out. Adios, arrivederci, do.